Today let's make a very easy baked donut recipe with white chocolate glaze. First, in a large bowl, let's mix flour, salt and sugar together. Then get a small bowl and stir yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. Add little bit of milk into yeast and keep around 5 minutes until yeast dissolves. Also add egg, butter, vanilla and rest of the milk into flour. Knead the dough from your hand until smooth and slightly pulls away from the sides of the ball. Now we need to cover this and keep around 1 hour until it becomes double sized. After that, roll this dough using a rolling pin and then cut the donuts. If you have a donut cutter, you can do this very easily. Again, cover and keep these donuts around 30 minutes more. Then we need to bake these donuts around 8 to 10 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Make sure you don't overbake them. If you do so, they will become hard. After baking, let them cool down. Now we can dip these donuts in our white chocolate ganache. Add some sprinkles to make them nice. Hope you will enjoy these delicious donuts. See you soon with a new video. Till then, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.